Hey there, guys. Chet here. It is a massive waste of your valuable sales time to write the exact same email over and over again. Pipedrive allows you to build custom email templates so that you can send perfect messages in just a few seconds. This simple feature helps your team close more deals by speeding up your daily outreach. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make email templates in Pipedrive fast. Now, you will need a Pipedrive account to follow along. If you have not set one up yet, I have a special link right down in the description. If you click that link, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically when you sign up through my link. That means you'll be using the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what others pay. And by the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full Pipedrive course from A to Z, walking you through everything step by step. It is also totally free. Now, when you're creating an email template, you will need to begin by composing an email with Pipedrive. Navigate to the left menu. Click on the Deals icon to reach the Deals page. This is your main workspace where you manage all of your active negotiations. Once you're on the Deals page, open a specific deal. It is the smartest approach to build your template directly inside of an active deal because you can instantly test it with real client data. To get started, navigate to the email section inside the deal profile, and then click the Choose Template option located right under the subject line. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. Select Manage Templates at the bottom of the menu. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose a template from different kinds of pre-made templates. You can also add a completely new template for your specific sales process. For this tutorial, we'll add a new template and click the Add New Template button. Now, after clicking, another pop-up window will appear on your screen. First, enter the template name, which is really for internal use only, and it will not be visible to anyone outside of the company. Make sure to choose a very clear name so that your sales team can find it quickly during a busy workday. Next, choose the visibility setting where private means only you can see and use the template. Shared allows anyone in your entire company to access it. Now, shared templates are fantastic for keeping your company messaging perfectly consistent across all of your different sales representatives. Then type in the subject line that will be sent to the recipient. A strong subject line is really the most important part of your email. After that, you can write the email or you can paste in the body of the email you have already prepared. Once the content has been placed, begin inserting dynamic fields by clicking the Insert Field button. These dynamic fields will pull information directly from your database so that you do not have to type out names manually. After clicking, you will see available fields from the deal, project, person, and organization. You can also search for a specific field by typing in the search box. For example, type first name in the search field and remove any placeholder text that is no longer needed. The addition of a first name automatically grabs the attention of your prospect and increases your open rates, which is what we want, right? Continue adding other relevant fields such as scheduling tools or contract tools wherever necessary in the email. The use of these specific data fields makes every automated message feel incredibly personal to the buyer. After inserting all of the required fields, take a moment to review the formatting and fix any font or size issues if necessary. A clean and professional looking email builds instant trust with your leads. You can also add a hyperlink if you want to direct your clients to a specific web page. To add a hyperlink, select the text and then click the link icon, and the link will be added to the text. When everything looks correct, click the Save button to add the template and the Manage the Email Templates window. Then click the Save button again to confirm your work. Now, let's test the template to make sure that everything works flawlessly before you send it to a real prospect. To test that template, click the Choose Template button and select the template you just created from the template menu. You may notice yellow highlighted fields. That indicates dynamic fields pulling information directly from your Pipedrive database. If a specific field has no data in Pipedrive, it will appear empty on your screen. If you try to send the email with an empty tag, it will turn bright red to alert you. This built-in warning system is absolutely fantastic because it stops you from sending broken code to your important clients. Now, in that case, you can simply remove the empty field from the text and then click the Send button. As a best practice, always send the very first test email directly to yourself so that you can review exactly how it appears to the recipient on a mobile phone and a desktop computer. If you notice formatting issues in the received email, return to the Deals page, click the Mails section, and then click the Choose Template option. Then click Manage Templates from the menu and open the template that you just created. To remove formatting issues, just highlight all of the content and use the Remove Style tool. This resets the formatting and makes everything simple and consistent. This tool really is a lifesaver because pasting text from other documents often brings hidden, messy code into your workspace. Remove any extra lines if necessary. Confirm that your hyperlinks are still working, and then click the Save button and click the Save button once again. Now, test the template once more by selecting your template from the Choose Template menu. Remove any empty fields if required, and send it again by clicking the Send button. Finally, check the email in your inbox to confirm that the spacing, font size, and links all appear consistent and correct. Once everything looks good, the template is ready to use for all of your outreach. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it helps you understand how to make email templates in Pipedrive. If you want to get started with Pipedrive, don't forget to click that special link in the description to grab your 30-day extended free trial. It's the only way to get one full month for free instead of the standard 14 days. And if you want to become a true Pipedrive expert, make sure to grab our free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're down there. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.